Today, I'm going to show you how to buy V-Bucks on Epic Games in just a few simple steps. If you play Fortnite and want to top up your balance quickly, this guide will walk you through the exact process from opening the Epic Games launcher to choosing the amount you want to purchase. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy gaming guides just like this. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your PC. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before you continue, especially if you have multiple accounts or if this is the account you use for Fortnite. Once the launcher opens, head to the search bar and type Fortnite. This will take you directly to the game page inside the Epic Games Store. Now that you're on the Fortnite page, scroll down until you see the section that says Stock Up on V-Bucks. This is usually shown as a red banner, so it should be easy to spot once you know where to look. Click on that banner to open the V-Bucks purchase options. After that, you'll see different V-Bucks top-up amounts available. Take a moment to choose the amount that best fits what you want to buy. Select your desired V-Bucks package, then follow the on-screen prompts to continue with the purchase. Depending on your account and payment settings, Epic Games may ask you to confirm your payment method before completing the order. Once the purchase goes through, your V-Bucks should be added to your account and ready to use in Fortnite. From there, you can spend them on skins, emotes, battle passes, and other in-game items from the item shop. And that's it! You've now learned how to buy V-Bucks on Epic Games the quick and easy way. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future Fortnite and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.